Welcome to Motivated Mind, honey, your sanctuary for peace and tranquility. This is a space where we embrace the calmness of the mind, a universe within ourselves that's brimming with tranquility and serenity. Our journey today is all about slowing down, about taking a step back from the hustle and bustle of our everyday lives. Now, let's get comfortable. You might choose to sit or lie down, whatever feels right for you. Begin by closing your eyes gently, as if you're bidding goodnight to the outside world and saying hello to your inner self. Feel your body resting against the surface beneath you, grounding you in this moment. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice how it flows in and out, like waves on a shore. There's no need to change your breathing, simply observe. Feel your chest rise and fall, your lungs expanding and contracting, the air cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Let's imagine that with each breath, your body becomes a little more relaxed. Any tension you may have been holding in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands, it all starts to soften. With every exhale, you release a little more of that tension, sinking deeper into relaxation. Now let's sync our breathing with the rhythm of a serene morning. Imagine your breath as a gentle breeze rustling through the leaves of a tree at dawn. As you inhale, picture the leaves lifting, reaching for the sky. As you exhale, see them settle back down, resting in the coolness of the morning air. Picture yourself in a peaceful meadow where the soft grass cushions your feet. This is a sanctuary, a haven where the world outside seems to fade away. The grass is a lush carpet, cool and welcoming, inviting you to take a step, then another and another, until you're walking with a gentle rhythm that matches your heartbeat. As you journey further into the meadow, you feel the sun's warmth on your skin. It's a gentle caress, not too hot, not too cold, just right. It's a warmth that seeps into your very core, soothing and relaxing you. It's as if the sun itself is whispering, relax, let go, be at peace. The rustling of leaves in the breeze is your soundtrack, a symphony of nature's sounds playing just for you. The wind is a soft whisper, rustling through the trees, stirring the grass beneath your feet. It's a lullaby sung by Mother Nature herself, a song of peace and tranquility. As you continue your journey, you feel the stresses of life starting to melt away. Each step you take is a step away from worry, from anxiety, from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. Each step brings you closer to peace, closer to tranquility, closer to serenity. The meadow is a world of its own, a world where peace reigns supreme. Here there is no rush, no hurry, no urgency. Here there is only the here and now, the present moment, and the calm that comes with it. Listen to the gentle symphony of nature, the birds singing, and the trickling stream. As you sit or lie comfortably, soften your focus and allow your attention to wander towards the sounds you hear around you. Let their melodies be your guide. Can you hear the birds? Their songs are like a harmonious orchestra, each one playing its unique part in the grand symphony of nature. The soft chirping of a nearby sparrow, the resonant cooing of a distant dove, the rhythmic tapping of a woodpecker in the distance. Each sound is a note in nature's beautiful composition. Now, turn your attention to the soothing sound of water. Imagine a clear, sparkling stream winding its way through the meadow. Listen to the gentle murmur of the water as it dances over pebbles and around bends. It's a calming lullaby, a soothing rhythm that holds a steady beat in the quiet symphony around you. And then, there's the rustling of leaves. Can you hear them? Each leaf has a story to tell, whispering secrets as it dances in the breeze. They rustle and murmur, a gentle percussion adding depth to the natural melody you're immersed in. Every sound you hear is a thread in the tapestry of this serene meadow. The chirping of the birds, the babbling of the stream, the rustling of the leaves, they all come together to form a symphony. Each sound, each note, is a reminder of the harmony of nature. Breathe in the fresh scent of flowers, filling you with a sense of serenity. Imagine the fragrance wafting towards you, carried on the gentle breeze. It's a delicate blend of sweetness, a harmonious symphony of nature's perfume. Picture yourself surrounded by blossoming flowers, their vibrant colors dancing in the sunlight, their aroma a testament to the life they represent. The scent is fresh, invigorating, like the first few drops of rain on a summer's day. It's a scent that speaks of new beginnings, of hope, and of life renewed. It's a scent that grounds you to the earth, reminding you of your connection to the world around you. Now, imagine the scent of lavender, its calming presence wrapping around you like a comforting blanket. It's a familiar scent, one that brings a sense of tranquility and peace. Let it wash over you, easing any tension, any stress, any worries you may be holding on to. Next, picture the scent of roses, their rich, velvety fragrance filling your senses. It's a scent that speaks of love, of passion, of the beauty found in every moment. Let it fill you with warmth, with joy, with a love for life itself. As the sun sets on this tranquil scene, prepare to bring this peace into your day. Allow the serenity of the meadow to seep into your heart, your mind, and your soul. Picture this calmness as a warm, glowing light, spreading from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head. Inhale deeply, drawing in this light, this peace, this tranquility. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, travels down your throat, and fills your lungs. Hold this breath for a moment, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any remaining tension, any worry, any stress that may have been lingering. With each breath, let your connection to the meadow grow stronger. Remember the feeling of the soft grass under your feet, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind. These sensations are not just part of a visualization, but a state of being that you can return to anytime, anywhere. Now gently begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the feeling of the chair or floor beneath you, the temperature of the room, the sounds around you. As you make this transition, remember that you are not leaving the meadow behind, but carrying it with you. This peaceful state of mind is not confined to the boundaries of this meditation. It's a gift that you give to yourself, a reservoir of calm that you can draw from in times of stress or anxiety. You have the power to return to this place of tranquility, this meadow of peace at any moment, simply by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, this meadow of peace is always here for you, just a breath away.